Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute and beautiful wildflower crochet earrings. You all know that I love making earrings, and this is another wonderful pattern that you can enjoy making. And if you want a free written pattern of this beautiful crochet earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So we are going to need a crochet thread. You can choose any color of crochet thread you like. It's a size 8 crochet thread. You can buy them off from Amazon or Red Sea. And I'm going to need 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and you'll need scissors and earring hooks or fish hooks. So for starting round 1, I'm going to work a magic ring, and then I'm going to work a chain 2 and double crochet together. So this chain 2 double crochet together is considered as our first double crochet 2 together. And once you're done working double crochet 2 together, I'm going to work a chain 3. And then we are going to work double crochet 2 together, chain 3, 7 more times around the magic ring. So in total, at the end of round 1, we are going to have 8 double crochet 2 together with in between chain 2 spaces. Once you have worked your last double crochet 2 together, you're going to tighten the magic ring, and then you're going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 1. So at the end of round 1, we are going to have 8 double crochet 2 together with in between chain 2 spaces. So continue working round 1. I'll meet you at the end of round 1. So now I'm at the end of round 1. I'm working a slip stitch on my starting chain 2 double crochet together, and then I'm going to tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. Now we are going to start working our round 2. Before working round 2, we are going to slip stitch onto the next chain 3 space, and then we are going to work chain 2 double crochet together on the chain 3 space, which is considered as our first double crochet 2 together, and then we are going to work a chain 1, and then we are going to work one more double crochet 2 together on the same chain 3 space. So on the chain 3 space, you are having double crochet 2 together, chain 1, double crochet 2 together, and then to reach to the next chain 3 space, we are working a chain 2, and then once again on the next chain 3 space, I'm going to work double crochet 2 together, chain 1, double crochet 2 together, and then work a chain 2 to reach to the next chain 3 space. So on each chain 3 space, we are going to work double crochet 2 together, chain 1, double crochet 2 together, and each of the sets are separated by a chain 2 space. So I'm working my first double crochet 2 together. I worked a chain 1, and then I'm going to work one more double crochet 2 together on the same chain 3 space, and then we are going to work a chain 2 to reach to the next chain 3 space. So we're going to repeat this pattern around, and then once we are done, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 2. So at the end of round 2 we should have 8 sets of double crochet 2 together, chain 1 double crochet 2 together on every chain 3 space of round 1 with in between chain 2 spaces. So continue working round 2. I'll meet you at the end of round 2. Now we are going to work our round 3. So before working our round 3, I'm going to work a slip stitch on my next chain 1 space, and then I will work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then I'm going to work one single crochet on the same stitch, and then I will work a chain 3, and then I'm going to work 2 double crochet on the chain 1. So this is going to create petals with our scalloped petals. I call them as scalloped petals. And once the petal is worked, work a single crochet on the next chain 2 space, and then work one more petal which is chain 3 and 2 double crochet on the chain 1, and work a single crochet on the chain 1 space. So we'll be working single crochet on the chain 1 space and the chain 2 space alternatively with petals worked in between them. And once again we have worked two petals here. I'm going to once again work chain 3 and work 2 double crochet on the chain 1, and then I'll work a single crochet on the chain 1 space. So all through this round we are going to work single crochet on the chain 1 space and chain 2 space alternatively with petals worked in between them. For petals we are going to work a chain 3, and then we are going to work two double crochet on the chain 1 that is worked, and then work a single crochet on the chain 2 space and chain 1 space alternatively. So at the end of this round you should have 16 petals, and once you have worked your last petal, work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 3. So once you have worked the slip stitch, you can fasten off, weave your ends. So I have worked one of these earrings. You need to make one more for a pair of earrings, and you can see that it's wobbly, it's not stiff. You can't attach your fish hooks or crochet earring hooks at this point. We'll need to block this piece. I have already posted a blocking tutorial on one of my earring tutorial videos. You can find the link in the description for that video and see how it's blocked. I'm going to use one part of glue and one part of water. Soak this in that and air dry it for about a day, and it should get blocked. And you can see now it's nicely blocked and stiffened. I'm gonna attach my earring hooks or fish hooks to it, and go ahead, make as many colors as you like with this pattern, and everything is gonna look so pretty. It makes a wonderful summertime earring that should go with any of your summer outfits, and it's a very great gift too. I have worked this in a couple of colors. You can see they all look so pretty. If you want a free written pattern of this wildflower earring, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.